Hello, my friends. Welcome back to Keto in the Chaos. My name is Tammy. It's Sunday, June 9th, 2019, and it's weigh-in day. All right, everyone. Welcome back to week 1 weigh-in of my new keto commitment, my keto reset for summer 2019. I decided I was going to go back on my regular macros and I'm not going to change anything. So if you've been watching my channel for a long time, you probably know my macros well, but if you don't, I'm going to go ahead and tell them to you again because people always want to know. I am eating about 1,300 calories a day, so that's a pretty significant deficit still for my body, but I am eating 120 grams of protein, 78 grams of fat, and less than 21 net carbs per day. I literally have done these macros, these exact same macros, from day 1 at 374 pounds, all the way till I took a break for the first time. And when I'm saying I'm taking a break, I never mean I'm going off of keto because I am keto for life. When I'm taking a break, it means that I am eating higher calories. So for the last 3 months, I've been eating 2,000 to 2,300 calories. And if you missed my DEXA scan results, I'm going to link that for you here and you can see what happened after eating that many calories a day for a 3-month period. I actually have a before and after DEXA to show you how my body reacted to that and what happened. So if you've not seen that video, definitely check that out after you're done watching this one. But I gotta be quick because Dave and I are actually packing up our stuff. We are heading out to Denver for the Keto Meetup Tuesday night at the Texas Roadhouse in Denver. If you want the address exact, send me an email to ketochaos@gmail.com and I will let you know. 7 o'clock at the Texas Roadhouse in Denver. I'm not sure if there's more than one Texas Roadhouse in Denver, which is why you might need the address. So don't forget to email me if you want to come to our meetup. Also, I will be bringing some keto cakes with me, so I need to know kind of approximately how many I need to bring to the restaurant so that I don't have to bring like too many or too few. So I know you guys are all wondering with bated breath, how did it go for me this week? It was really hard. I have to say it was really difficult to go from eating 2,300 calories to eating 1,300 calories. That's a huge, drastic drop in calories. And my body definitely complained a bit. Though I do have to say, compared to last time, in January, where I went back on fat loss macros, compared to this time, I feel like I've had a little bit easier time of it mentally and even physically because I have my motivator of getting the DEXA scan after 3 months of perfect macros. Believe it or not, that is a huge motivator. And I feel like having the right motivator is what really keeps me going forward. The very first motivator I had, the very first year when I started, was that we were going to Disneyland in that October. And I wanted to see how much I could lose. I definitely wanted to lose more than 100 pounds by the time we went to Disneyland. So if you can find a motivator to help you, to really focus you, it definitely helps you out. So I've been doing okay this week. I mean, I've been a little bit hungry, but not as bad as I expected, and the food has been okay. I've only had like 1 or 2 days where I was really kind of just frustrated and wishing I could just have a keto cake and call it good. But I didn't. Be proud of me. Those keto cakes stayed frozen in the freezer for Denver, and I got a lot of them. Now I'm trying to figure out how I'm bringing them and keeping them nice until Tuesday. Any ideas? Yeah, I'm still trying to figure that out this morning. I gotta make this video before we can go. So let's just get to the weigh-in and find out how my first week went on my keto reset.
Holy crap. Oh my gosh, you guys.
So as you can see, I weighed in this morning at a shocking 177.6 pounds. Guys, even I am surprised. Like, I really thought I would have a huge whoosh because I knew a lot was water weight, especially after doing the DEXA scan. I knew that I hadn't really gained as much fat as I thought I did. And so I was expecting a huge loss on the scale. But I'll tell you what, guys, 14 pounds? I was not expecting 14 pounds of water to whoosh off of me. Now, the experience of having a water whoosh for an entire week was a little interesting. I had to go to the bathroom a lot. I peed off a lot of water. and I lost a lot of electrolytes. It just seems like I can't catch up. I keep taking my sodium and I couldn't keep on top of it. I dropped potassium. I know I did because the last 2 days I'm having horrible leg cramps again, and so I've been adding like a gram of no salt to some Mio and some water and some Soleil water, and taking a little extra potassium, trying to build that back up. Even knowing that a wish was coming and making sure I stayed on top of my electrolytes, I still lost them. I still got to the point where I basically have some keto flu symptoms. Now, I'm not super tired or lethargic or anything like that, so I think I'm doing okay. I don't feel nauseous or anything like that. But definitely I am suffering from some pretty awesome leg cramps, which I'm going to take care of by raising up a little bit of potassium for the next few days and then going back to just my sodium. So other than that, it hasn't been that miserable. I was up probably 4 or 5 times a night using the restroom, not even kidding, because for some reason, I know if you guys have done keto, sleep time is when your body decides it's release time, which is just silly to me. I mean, we're up all day long, and maybe it's because we are more focused on things and we are not letting our body tell us what to do. But man, if you're asleep, it's no holds barred on the water weight whoosh. So if you haven't ever had a whoosh, that's because you aren't retaining water. Me, obviously I was retaining water during the entire time I was eating those higher calories. So I don't know why. I still don't know why. I'm going to be doing some experiments just to find out. Do I care that much? No, not really. Especially now that I have proof from DEXA scan and the scale that I gained no weight eating 2,300 calories a day. Butt kiss. Because there's only 1 more pound to meet my low that I weighed in March. I was 176.4 and I'm only 1 pound away from that. I am pretty happy. I'm sure you guys are too. I bet you're stoked to join me now, right? If you were on the fence before, find your motivation and get on board. Let's do this summer. Let's make a commitment to make it 3 whole months on weight loss macros. Who's with me? Thanks so much for hanging out with me. We'll talk to you again soon. And see you in Denver!